Hey guys, what you want to start off with is just this something glittery, sparkly, or shiny gems. So I'm starting off with this, and then I'm gonna go on to another sparkly thing. It doesn't really have to be like sparkly. It just has to be like shiny or bring out the picture more. So I'm gonna pick this one. You can see this. It is very shiny. And you can see the difference, right? Yeah. So yeah. Now here we go. Let's see what other thing. La 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 la. This one, it's so pretty. Get it? So that's the reason I'm putting it on, because it's so pretty and it brings the picture out. And then after that, what we're gonna do, it doesn't have to be even because there's a thing on it. So what we're gonna do after this is get like a line thing like that. We go right here, like this. So cool. Now it looks, see that? Those little lines there. That's what I'm putting, so. Bye guys, it looks so cool.